how to know the password of a connected Wi-Fi. So if you want to know the password, let's proceed. All you have to do is long press on that Wi-Fi, or you can also go to settings and then tap on network and internet, and here you will have the internet connection which you have connected right now. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos, and tap on that Wi-Fi, and here you will have the share option. Or you can also go back and just long press on this one, and here you will have the connection. So what you have to do is tap on the gear icon, and here you will have the share option. Tap on share. After that, you will have Wi-Fi password right below the scanner. Or you can also go and check the past networks, like the saved networks, and here if you want any password of the saved networks, then you can just simply tap on that and then tap on share, and here you will have the Wi-Fi password right below the scanner. So to know the password of a connected Wi-Fi was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.